Hey, welcome back to another edition of Just Try It DIY. And this is part 2 of the kitchen project. So today, what we're going to start out by doing...
Dad, I can do this.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You got this then.
Hi. So today we will be destroying this part of the kitchen, pretty much. So today we will be taking apart the cabinets, and as you can see right here, my dad has already redone this one, and this is what we plan for the others to also look like. But first, we have to take them all out and fix them up. Now before you cut all your cabinets apart, you're going to need to clean them out. And as you can tell, we've already done that. It's a great time to redo your clean them out. Clean out your cabinets, make sure there's no expired stuff. We found something all the way from 2008. Didn't even have this house back then. Wow. So, you're going to need to take the doors off too. Quite simple. You're going to need your screwdriver right up here. So, I got the top 2 off, and I'm currently working on the bottom one, and Dad, you gotta come over here and give me a hand.
Sure, alright. You got that bottom one out of there?
Yep.
Take this door off. Alright. You gonna work on the rest of those?
Yeah. So as you can see, we took off the cabinet doors, and now we're gonna work on the microwave. And the cool thing about the microwave is it's not that difficult to be taken out. So we have two bolts, screws, whatever, here on the top, which once you unscrew, the top part's out and it unhinges. Now, what you need to be careful of is making sure that your breakers and everything are off. Otherwise, you will probably get electrocuted, and that's not very fun. So then, after you've turned all your breakers off, got the top 2 unscrewed, down under there are things holding them in. I'm going to undo them. Boom! We got the microwave gone. Alright, so I've started taking off the trim, and after this, we will be using the multi-tool to take off the screws on the inside of the cabinets. So as you can see, this cabinet is tied in with this cabinet, and we're going to need to fix that because, yeah. And
What are you gonna have to do there, Ellie? Are you gonna have to cut all that off of there?
yeah, with the multi-tool.
You're gonna use what?
The multi-tool.
Alrighty. Well, let's see what you can get started on.
So we got the bigger cabinet out, and now we're going to be working on getting this one out. We just got a few more nails to cut. So we have taken off all the cabinets on this side, and the wall looks disgusting. So what we're going to do is fix that all up, repaint it, make it look good. So you've caught me in the middle of painting. So, as you can see, we've gotten the cabinets back up onto the wall, and we are working on good painting. So, let me step down real quick. As you can see, we have put on the trim at the bottom to replace the little swoops at the bottom. So, it now matches the one up there. So, as I forgot to mention, we had to rebuild this entire cabinet.
Alright, so we're getting ready to put the handles on these doors here that we've already made. This is a Kreg Jig for putting on door handles for kitchen cabinets and things like that. They have all your settings all set up along here on the bottom. And flip it over, this is your offset here. They got measurements on the sides here. so you can set it off. We're going to set them 1.5 inches in, and our handles have a 5-inch center. So I've already measured this out and set it up, so it's just a matter of laying this, set it up here where I want it. All these I've been setting here, they got their millimeters set up here, and it just happened to be that 40 was the one I wanted. So I'm 40 millimeters off, but so I came up here to line it up off of this line here just to get a good reference point. So once I get that lined up, the offset's already set, so I can drill the first hole. On there, I'll wipe them off. All right, so all we got to do is then make sure the holes are clean. Screw through there. Always nice to start the screws by hand, that you don't cross thread them. Get that one started. Get them tightened up, and then we'll show you when to get them on the inside.
All right, thanks Dad for showing us how to put in these handles. We've got the microwave all tied in, and it looks good. Alright, thank you all for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. We'll see you next time.